Morning sunshines. So we're gonna be doing this little one's hair. So you wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's gonna hold it while I do. Whoa, hell! I don't even know what to do because it rained yesterday, so her straight hair that she had is. Good morning, Jackson. Good morning, Papa. He's ready for his cuddle. What he wants me to do is to come cuddle. When he does that, he wants to cuddle with, oops, I hope I wasn't flashing you guys there for a second. Yeah, my armpits are a mess. I have to shave them, but yeah, I'm about to do this little one's hair. Did you brush them teeth? Yeah. No, them things are dirty. Jason, Jordan, did you brush your teeth? Okay, so you're not gonna hold it like that. You're gonna hold it like this. There you go. You're a professional. Hold it out more. Yeah. So I'm gonna attempt to do something with her hair. Cause it's all messed up because of the move your thumb. Ellie?
I can't hold it.
You're not vlogging properly. You're cutting off my head. Yeah, there. So, I haven't even made my bed.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna, I didn't even put anything in her hair. I didn't put no products in her hair because her hair, it tends to build up a lot faster if I put stuff in her hair. Oh, Mama, your hair is breaking. If I put any product in her hair, it tends to build up faster. Excuse me. So, in your video. Jordan, can you go get me a hair tie for Sissy? There's ants on my nightstand. A hair tie. A hair tie, Jordan. Is it just me, or do you guys have a child that is just move your fingers? Do you guys have a child that yeah, do you guys have a child that is just, no matter what it is that you do, just don't understand instruction? That's my Jordan. Look at that. Look what the boy bought me. A hair tie. It's a Can you please go get me a hair tie and not a doll? It's a doll hair tie. Jordan, go outside. Do you guys have a child in your house that no matter what it is that you say, they just don't understand? Because that's my Jordan. No matter what it is that I tell Jordan. If I tell Jordan, go and get me water, he's going to come back and ask me, what do you mean? Thank you, Jason. A hair tie. So I'm going to finish doing this child hair and be back. I'll be back later.
I don't even have to say hi or hello. You know who this is because that man over there is home. It's 2 o'clock. Kids have half day of school. We have parent-teacher meeting. I have to cook some Jamaican cuisine and make sorrel and do all kind of extra stuff. And it's really nice outside. And it's my first time being outside. And where's your brother? Cause we're rolling.
Why is he going the wrong way?
Because he likes to go the wrong way, honey.
Like,
the vlogs are up, so if you've been wondering where the vlogs have been, they're up. So go check them out if you haven't. What are you doing? License plate. You can't do that one. Anyways, I tend to delete everything that puts our identity out there. You don't want where those know where you live. Are you crazy? So they can come and kidnap our kids? But we are on our way to the Jamaican store, the Chinese store. Oh yeah, if you piss them off. You have a lot of weirdos out there, honey. There's a lot of weirdos. So we're going to the Chinese store. We're going to the Chinese store.
Jamaican store first,
And-
right?
Whichever is closer.
Which one's closer?
Well, which way are we going?
The other market, which one is it? That market is where? Near the boys' school, right?
The
kids'
Jamaican store is near the. This is like the worst time to
It's
be
the kids' school.
vlogging. The sun is like weird.
It's the kids' school, right?
Yeah, over
that
there
road.
by the where the kids,
Daddy,
where the kids'
Kids'
school
school.
is located. Yeah,
Daddy.
it's over there. And then we gotta go to Chinese store because they have the cheapest
So the Chinese stores on
snapper.
Daddy.
Because I'm doing escafish. Escafish? Escafish.
For the
Escafish.
kids' school, we hop on 370.
Baby, won't you come my way?
So, Brandon, put your belt on.
Put the belts on. So
Then
I
go to the
put up
back
the
seat.
vlog in detail about our relationship and everything. And I was talking about my husband infidelity. So it's all up there. I mean, it was already disclosed to you guys. You guys knew about it. But why is this person going so slow? So everyone knew about it. This is not nothing new. And this was how many years ago? 7 years ago. And everything's been quiet around here. Our relationship has gotten better.
Chilling.
Would you say our relationship has gotten better, stronger? Yeah. So I don't hold any grudges. I don't hold grudges. I don't have to. Because guess what?
What's that?
I have the ring.
What is that?
Where?
Over there.
I got Pacho. Punching the face.
Oh,
Oh,
is there something over there?
yeah. A tree.
No.
Yeah, there's a tree over there, and a car,
Oh, no. Then
and a sidewalk, and possibly people.
Maybe.
Maybe. I'll be back later once we pick up the stuff. So, sun shines. My sun shines. Went to the Jamaican store. I don't like going to the Jamaican store because I feel like I spend way too much money. $25 for 4 little tiny things of seasoning. So I got I don't know if you guys can see. I got all-purpose seasoning by Grace. I got meat seasoning by Blue Mountain Country. I got another seasoning, another jerk seasoning by Grace. And that's all the seasoning I got. It's only 3. No, I got more. I knew I was gonna return everything because I'm like $25 for only 3 seasoning. And I got a chicken seasoning by Grace. So, and then a bag of sorrel because my husband loves sorrel. I don't know what it is about sorrel, but he loves sorrel. So I got me a big old bag this time, $8. And I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna make half of this now and then half later for him. And then and my name Nuff Self got Irish Moss. Irish Moss. It's a peanut drink. And I got this guy. What is this? This is can't even see it, so it's so blurry. I got a sorrel ginger drink. So good. $1.99 though. Seriously? The Irish Moss was $2.50. Really, Jamaican people? You have to come to the United States and still rip us off. You rip us off in Jamaica and then you come here and still rip us off. Like, seriously. You go to the grocery store and you can get this, a big old thing of seasoning for $2 or less than $2. But at the Jamaican store, it has to be $3. and $3.50.
What does that say?
Whatever. And then the good stuff was like $7 and change. I'm like, But I'm going to the Chinese store to go get snapper to make some escabeche. So I'll see you guys once I get there. Hi, Jason. Medium fish. Told y'all I was gonna make some escabeche. I think it's called escabeche. And sorrow. Made sorrow. It took me 3 hours. Was it 3? 3 hours to get all this together. Because we got parent-teacher conference. And it's 5:15 now. And the first one is at 5:45. So we're going to be at school for a while. No. 5:45 to 5:30 to 6:30 here. We are going to wait for me. Hi. Gia, what? Wait till we get in the light. I'll tell you guys where we at. We're at their school.
Huh?
I see my teacher
You saw your teacher?
in the office.
Oh. Are they first or they last? Okay. Yeah, we're about to do parent-teacher conference. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
You see how these parents are gonna make them fall? I told you.
So we're about to find out how these kids are doing in school. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Up. So, anyways, sometimes it's really nice for you to be able to read. You see a sign that says
Like,
up. Oh, like seriously, a sign says up, and you're like, oh, no, go down.
How you doing?
I literally stopped you. I went and I found out when your conferences were, and I came out into the hallway. I'm not kidding. I was just reading your volcano piece. That looked awesome. Thanks.
Say hi.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you? I keep forgetting their classroom. Hey there.
And in the back, this is winners and this is
Jordan.
up here. That one.
Jordan Volcano. Ooh, look at you.
Those big circle things. Those are rocks covered in fire.
Oh wow. Nice. Where's Jordan? Jason.
Right here.
Oh, nice. Jason's, your volcano haven't erupted yet.
Oh, this is winter.
Jordan's.
Your volcano didn't erupt.
Jordan's erupted.
No, it's
But Jason is just calm.
this is calm and smoking.
Oh.
This
It's
is
just
winter.
calm and nothing is going on.
This is some shoot fires on back and that's nothing. That's
Okay, Destiny, what did, oh, fruit. So this is her artwork. I don't know what children that are 4 and 8 needs to drink half cups a day. I don't know what that means, but hey, it works.